Top 10 robotic lawnmowers on Amazon. Over $100, 2025. Hi everyone. Welcome to our 10-minute video on the top 10 best-selling robotic lawnmowers on Amazon priced over $100 in 2025. If you're tired of pushing a mower and want a robot to handle your lawn, we've got options for every need. Today, we'll walk through each model's features, break down their pros and cons, and help you find the perfect fit for your yard. From small backyards to sprawling lawns, there's something here for everyone. Let's dive in. Husqvarna Automower 435X AWD, $2,472.76. Starting with the Husqvarna Automower 435X AWD, priced at $2,472.76. It's our top overall pick, using GPS navigation with no boundary wire needed, covering 0.9 acres. It runs for 100 minutes and operates at just 62 decibels. Pros: high-tech wireless setup, ideal for large lawns. Cons: expensive overkill for small yards. Best for medium to large lawns and tech-savvy users looking for premium features. Stihl iMOW 5 tilde $2, $180. Next is the Stihl iMOW 5, around $2,180. Known for ease of use and durability, it's app-controlled, cuts at 20 to 60 mm heights, handles 40% slopes, and comes with a rain sensor and 5-year warranty. Pros: simple setup, durable, long warranty. Cons: lacks mobile connectivity, requires some tech know-how. Best for medium lawns and users prioritizing durability. Worx Landroid Vision L 1300 tilde $2, $770. The Worx Landroid Vision L 1300 at about $2,770 stands out with no boundary wire, using AI cameras for navigation. It covers 1,300 square meters and handles 35% slopes. Pros: no boundary wire, great edge cutting, large coverage. Cons: high cost. Best for large lawns and users who dislike wire setups. Husqvarna Automower 405X tilde $2, $330. Husqvarna's Automower 405X, priced around $2,330, offers mobile connectivity and GPS theft tracking. It cuts at 20 to 50 mm and tackles 40% slopes. Pros: strong connectivity, anti-theft features, good for slopes. Cons: only 2-year warranty, pricey. Best for users valuing security and smart connectivity. Mowrator S1, $3,499. The Mowrator S1, at $3,499, is built for complex terrains with 4-wheel drive and a 21-inch cutting width. It's remote-controlled with a 135-minute runtime. Pros: handles tough terrain, flexible remote control. Cons: not fully autonomous, very expensive. Best for complex lawns and users who prefer manual control. Segway Navimow I105E tilde $1, $195. Segway's Navimow I105E, around $1,195, uses GPS navigation with no boundary wire. It's super quiet at 58 decibels and handles 30% slopes. Pros: quiet, wireless, robust app control. Cons: bright lights, noise may still bother some. Best for small to medium lawns and quiet operation lovers. Stihl RMI 422P iMOW tilde $1, $715. The Stihl RMI 422P iMOW at about $1,715 is lightweight, handles 40% slopes, and offers a 5-year warranty but lacks smart connectivity. Pros: lightweight, long warranty. Reliable .cons: no smart features, struggles with wet grass. Cons: no smart features, struggles with wet grass. Best for medium lawns and users who want simplicity and reliability. Greenworks Pro Optimow 50H, $799.99. Greenworks Pro Optimow 50H, priced at $799.99, boasts a 150-minute runtime with GPS navigation and no boundary wire, covering 0.5 acres. Pros: long runtime, affordable wireless setup. Cons: fewer features than premium models. Best for budget-conscious users with medium lawns. Flymo EasiLife Go 500 $868. Flymo EasiLife Go 500 around $868 is ultra quiet, cutting at 20 to 50 mm and covering 500 square meters while handling 25% slopes. Pros: very quiet, budget-friendly. Cons: complex wire setups, best for ideal for smaller lawns and those who value quiet operation. Gardena Robotic Mower, Sileno City, $704. Finally, the Gardena Sileno City at $704.09 is a budget-friendly option with Bluetooth app control, covering 2,700 square feet. Cons: limited features, only for small lawns. Pros: affordable, easy. Best for very small lawns or first-time robotic mower buyers. That's our rundown of the top 10 robotic lawnmowers on Amazon, over $100 for 2025. Each model offers unique strengths, catering to different lawn sizes, terrains, and budgets. When choosing, consider your lawn size, small versus large, terrain, flat versus sloped, budget, under $1,000 versus over $2,000, and whether you want advanced features like no boundary wire or app connectivity. Be sure to check Amazon for the latest reviews or watch demo videos to make the best choice. Thanks for watching, and here's to a beautifully maintained lawn without the hard work.